This is Katura with Blue Notary, and I want to invite you to join the Blue Notary Practice Partner Program. This program is for you if you've been inside the platform and you've watched the walkthroughs, but you're still thinking, I get it. I wish I could just run one full session without pressure. That feeling is the reason we created the partner program. It's you and another notary running a real session start to finish. You can take turns, slow it down, stop when you need to, and ask the questions you don't want to ask in front of a client. This is real world peer practice with no pressure. And honestly, once people do one or two of these, everything clicks. If you've been holding off taking real clients because you don't feel fully ready yet, this program usually fixes that. So take a look at the Blue Notary Partner Program and sign up so you can practice right away. Details are below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our channel for more online notary content.